Hello guys, I don't know it started or not. I just checking now. One moment, wait a moment please. Oh yeah, it's live. It's live. Right? Because I tried to check in my iPad and I don't see nothing here. Oh yeah, it's live now. Hello, no-code guys. So, I very happy to continue this challenge and to launch the second challenge, MVP in 1 week. First challenge was MVP in 4 weeks, but uh, for in real life we made it in 10 days. And I made a decision, the second MVP building stream, make it longer, like more realistic, but we definitely need to have time to finish it in 7 days. So one of the reason I already bought the main 7days MVP.com, and so it will be like a brand. So yeah, I want to make each week MVP in 7 days, and it will be always, like I haven't got time do it longer than 1 week, because after 1 week I need to launch the next product. Okay, so thank you for coming. I'm Alex. I'm the founder of High No Code Agency and the new product No Code Hub. Name of this No Code Hub is iNoCode. Not big difference between High No Code, but easier to pronounce and I think easier to use. So it's like iPhone, but I know code. So so in this stream, in 1 week, we will build the MVP for the product, and I will show you the whole process, starting with the product description, starting with the market research, existing alternatives research, and brainstorm what we can do better in the existing alternatives, and how we can better solve needs of our clients, our users. And yeah, so this first day, I will research, then I want to create canvas of the product with our with our things which we will be better, where we will be better, and how it will be different than existing alternatives. And also we'll describe the problem, the solution, and describe our user segments. Then we will think where and with which platform it will be better to create this solution. I already know the platform, to be honest, but I want to describe you why I chose this platform. Then, yeah, we will finish this product canvas, and then we will go to user flow. In the user flow, we will need to think how make user flow more smoothly and better for users. And yeah, and then we will, so yeah, then I will connect our designer and show you the Figma file with design, and you will see live how we create the design for this product in Figma. So it will be two parts. One part is the product part, and the second part is the design part. On the product part, I will be always active. Then when it will be design, I will just I think just turn off my face, and we will see how we work with design. Because yeah, design part, I just want to show you that we created in live here in the stream. So I don't have aim to teach you design something, and I want to just use it like a proof, and yeah, just for that. So we now, I want to check my sound, and yeah, that all is good. So also I want to post in my blogs information that I started the stream, and yeah, we just need that for more people in the stream, because now I checked that we have only three viewers, but I want to have more. That's why I need to check it. By the way, now I use OBS system, and this stream don't stream on all platforms, like to Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, and I don't know how to make in OBS, but I want to use OBS because quality of the streams in Restream is very bad, so I can't do something with that. I can't make videos with these files, and because they have bad quality. So yeah, I just want to share in my blogs that we start this amazing, the second stream. It's like tradition now. It's like tradition, guys. So we yeah, we create this tradition, and I'm happy to continue it. By the way, can you hear how I tap my keyboard? I have I have two options. I bought the amazing microphone DJI, and yeah, it's here. But now I work with this microphone, HyperX, and the problem is the problem of this microphone. It like catches all sounds, and that's why I think that you hear how I typing on my keyboard. So yeah, I want to post some make posts in my social networks, and then we will start. So maybe I will change the microphone, because yeah, it is This too loud. It's too loud. You can hear it how I typing on the keyboard, and I hate that. I hate that my sound is not the best one. So yeah. So I want to make the repost, and then I want to, yeah, then we will continue. So I just now want to try to change it to my microphone, the second one. Okay, guys, wait me please. And sorry guys for late start. I feel myself like a musician artist, you know. Always I came to the concerts, yeah, to the like shows. They always late. I'm like 1 hour late, 2 hours late, and it's like it's normal for rappers, you know. And I feel myself like a rapper. Okay, so let's try this one and check how it will work. So okay, can you hear me now or not? Okay, can you hear me now or not? One moment, I will check it in the comments. I don't have comments. Guys, can you please say, can you hear me or not? Because I can see if I use like my microphone or laptop sound, so I can't understand it, to be honest. Okay, one moment. Sorry for these technical settings. Okay, so now it should be better because I changed it to my microphone. And so I hate all this you know, programs, OBS programs, because they're not easy. So you need to understand what happened, how to find, for example, which microphone works now, and yeah, it's a real problem. So for example, now in OBS I can check if it, so which microphone now works. Let's check. I just want to make a sound check. Okay, can you hear me now? Yeah, I think yes. So I think now I use this microphone, and it's better because now I can, one moment. So I can draw something here, and you will see how I do that, and I can say with that something. So let's draw I know code. And yeah, I can show you something here even and say with that something. So I'm very happy that I bought this microphone, and I can do things like that. So we have I didn't choose the website. We have like the second part. We have space. We have oh cool. We have space. We have club, and we have co. And I haven't chose so. Yeah, now it is good, better. Okay. Okay, now I'm typing on my keyboard, and I want to check if you hear that or not. And I think that that it is better than it was. Okay, so five people, five viewers now. Thank you for coming, guys. And we are starting this amazing first day of this amazing 7 days MVP stream. I just want to remind you again that on this stream we will build MVP in 7 days. We will start by scratch, absolutely scratch. I had some thoughts about this product before that, and I made a little bit research, and I'm in the market of this product, but I haven't made like user flow. I haven't described the product and all this stuff, and yeah, and it's cool because you in real life in this stream will see how I do that, and yeah, maybe you can learn something by the watching of this, because so I have education. Yeah, I have knowledge in product management, and I created many canvas boards. I described many startups, and I tried many startups, and yeah, I can give you now this experience, and by creating the canvas and product description for this product, yeah, you can learn something how to do that for your future startup, for example. Yes, and this day we will create this product file, and then I will connect the designer and show how he will work. So by the way, we have the best designer for this project, the best designer in the world, Vadim. I will attach his contacts if you want to have the best design, but it will be the most expensive design, but it will be the best. So you feel free to contact with him. And yeah, after this day, tomorrow we'll start development part. We will develop with Bubble. Maybe we will use some integrations, some external integrations for database. Maybe we'll use Zapier or Make, but I'm not sure in that. So, and I think we will use only Bubble. And yeah, next like 3-4 days we will develop. It will be hard development. So I will invite the developer to the stream, and you will see how we develop in live. With that, I will comment it, and also I will do something. I will do product tasks. I will do marketing tasks, because we have not the easiest product today, this week. Okay, so yeah, I want to introduce the product. So on the previous stream, we chose the product during the stream, and it was a great experience. But now this stream, I want to, I realized that I want to create no-code hub. I wanted to create no-code hub, I think since June 2022. And all like this, all this month, I wanted to do that, but I have thoughts in my mind that it will be complex. That you need developers, you need designers, you need like make a team for that. You need to think how it will better, how you make it better than competitors, and so on and so on. And so I just created a lot of complexities for that. So like, yeah. And now in this challenge, I have no ways. I have only one way: make it in 1 week. So choose like 1 or 2 the main features and make it in 1 week, and it will be start. So of course after that we will continue to work with the hub, but maybe we will will create MVP like week by week, and we will do it like whole month. I don't know yet, but I just realized that it is the best way to start the product. So make a commit that okay, I will do it in 1 week. Make it live, show, and you don't have ways for go back. So I can't say that I don't want to do the next stream. I can, but I don't have it in my mind, and it will be like big fail if I just say that okay, I don't want to continue, it's too complex, I don't have time. So no, we will go day by day and you will see it, because I already committed with you, and I how to say I take my word, not take my word. So I do what I said. So I can't say you that I do it in 7 days and just stopped it. And that's very good point. Like you can just make a commit with your friends, with your subscribers in Instagram, and and start to do the product. But okay, so the idea of No Code Hub I had about a half of the year, and it will be very huge product. So it will be product with many products inside. Like the one big vision, one big idea, I want to create the environment for all segments in no-code and solve their jobs or needs in the best ways. It means that we have developers, different grades of developers. We have junior developers, we have middle developers, and senior developers. They have, we have founders and teams of the no-code tools, the second segment. We have agencies, development agencies, no-code development agencies. We have, what else we have? We have, of course, we have customers who order no-code products, and we have founders who sometimes go to tools and trying to learn tools by themselves, and some of them, our like customers too, customers in the no-code. And so like they are the main segments. Also we have designers, for example. Also we have product managers who also use different no-code tools. But the main are developers, customers, no-code founders of the tools, and agencies. And they all have many problems in the way of solving their needs. So, for example, developers, they have the main problem. Usually they can't find the orders. This is like the main problem which I heard about from developers. They're not marketers, they're not sellers, they're just developers, and that's why that's why this is the first problem which I want to solve. Because it is very big problem, because it will depend on the money, it will depend on the life way of the developer, because if he want to have orders, he will need to change his profession and go somewhere else. For example, for developers we have this problem. We also have a problem developers have a problem in, for example, searching for solution for their problem. Like, for example, they faced with the problem in the tool, they can do something and they need to find the solution, and not always they find the solution, and they waste a lot of time for one problem, for example. So juniors developers now they have a problem. We haven't got now many good courses for no-code courses, and they chose bad courses, no-code courses, or they, for example, they don't have motivation for learn something. They need like a team, and not all courses can offer you the team for work, for example. Okay, so customers, they have many problems too. They just go on Upwork, for example, leave their job. And by the way, a few days ago, I left my request as a customer, and in 1 hour I got 60 answers in Upwork. Can you imagine that? So you just you have an idea, you have, for example, in your mind only Upwork. You're coming to Upwork, you leave the request, and you get 60 answers. What will you do? you will need to screen all these answers, or like screen part of them. And in this field we have the problem that you can't choose the right developer. You can, because it can be developer with good reviews, but so it's possible that he don't have experience in your particular features, for example, and it doesn't matter then he is the best one and in the Upwork, for example. Like and for him it is very, for customer it is hard to choose the right person, right developer. So it is the second problem. And okay, if we are thinking about no-code tools, the main problem that you don't know about no-code tools, probably. So we know only about like 3, 4, 5 no-code tools. Okay, the Bubble, Flutterflow, Adala, Glide, Make, and Zapier. And I think that's all. So I know more, but you probably know all these 5, or even not all 5. And that's all. But we have 300 no-code tools now. Low-code tools, no-code tools. And because they don't have much money for marketing, they they created by specific tasks, specific segments. They're not very popular because of that. And you have no-code list of all these tools. But what's next? You have the order, for example, for develop marketplace with the for docs with the integration, OpenAI integration for selecting food for dogs, for example. And you have one special list of the requirements, and now you in your mind you have only few no-code tools, but we have hundreds of the tools, and maybe one of the tool will be better for this specific task. And yes, this is, for example, problem in no-code tools. And moreover, if you will go to the new tool, which is not popular, most of the times they have little bugs, and you can face with some limitations or bugs, and you don't have straight way to just write to founder of this tool or write to the team of this tool. So it can be solved too. So we can just grab all tools and grab all their contacts and public it, so on the platform, for example. So okay, it's just a little bit overview about the whole market, and I just wanted to show you that we have in no-code many needs, many jobs to be done, which are solving not in the best ways. And and we don't have the final thing, we don't have something, we don't have place where we can match all these segments, where they can find each other and work with each other. So like they're very, how to say, very not mix. So they're all separate. So you have forums, you have, and about the forums. About the forums, very important point. So in forums, you don't have we don't have Stack Overflow on the no-code. So we have only forums of the no-code tools, and that's all. Why? So so it looks like Bubble, not no-code tool, but just phrase Bubble. When you have knowledge in one no-code tool, you have forum of this no-code tool, you have your friends who works with no-code tools, and you don't know about others. But we want to connect on this environment, on this platform, all the segments, and that different segments, different developers, customers, agencies know about each other. And this is like the second point. But today it's like a big vision to the no-code hub. But today I want to create the MVP with you, and I want to show how I do market research, how I plan the product, and let's start with that. So for MVP, I have two simple ideas. Sorry, I want to just make a repost to the community, to the Recoder community in Telegram.
So just one moment, and we will continue. And so like the main two problems which I want to solve, So the first problem of developers. So they most of the developers, we work in our agency with developers. I communicated with many developers. They don't have portfolios. They have some websites which they can send, but their skills didn't describe somewhere. So how it works for now? Somebody recommend me developer, or I find the developer in the LinkedIn, no-code developer, and yeah, and I just ask, so how many projects you have done? Can you send the links to these projects? And that's all. I can ask him about the skills, but yeah, I can ask, of course. So can you do this task? So I have these requirements, but I need to talk with these all developers, and for example, I can have only 3 developers, recommended developers, and I choose only between these 3 developers. When I leave requests on the Upwork, I choose only from developers who answered on my requests, and only for between developers who has the high rate, and I can't. So yeah, developers just, they have links to their portfolio, and that's all. So I, as a customer, as a founder of the agency, and when I need to find a developer, I can't check so what skills he has, yeah, I can check it like very fast, and I need to communicate with him. I need to like spend my time for that, and I have very limited group, usually of the developers who I offer offer work. And the solution is, so it's like, and developers, they don't want to waste time for create the website. Very small amount of developers have the website, and most of these developers, they have ugly websites, to be honest. That I can't. So I can't. How to say, confident. Yeah, I can't believe this developer that he will make the best website for me if he has ugly website, to be honest. And I know this problem. So we as an agency, we have very simple website, and when I think about redesign, new titles, publish new cases, it looks like complexity, very huge complexity for me, and that's why I understand developers. And yeah, the idea is make the simple publisher of their cases and their skills on the somewhere. So you just will need to attach the links to your portfolios. Also, you will need to select the skills which you had in each case. For example, in this case, I set the GPT-3 integration. In this case, I set the Stripe payment, and you can find all this, of course, in the list. And then you just tap the button and it will be published, and it will be your website with a good design, with all your skills attached to each case, each case in your portfolio. You can also like a description, of course, add your photo, maybe your video, and video, yeah, of course, you can add video. And you can set your own domain even, but for the first version I think we won't have this functionality. But yeah, and you can hide our brand, I know code. And yeah, so it will be like your website with your portfolio. And the second thing, after the developer create this portfolio, he can set a toggle, publish it on the freelance platform, and it will be published in our platform, and customers or agencies can come and find this platform developers with the experience in their tasks which they need. For example, I want to create this product publisher, so publisher of portfolio and marketplace. And you know, I very want to find somebody who already had experience with that. So because I will be more confident, so I will sure that he will make it, that he will done this task very good, because he already had experience with that. And yeah, the idea is I just come to the platform, I set my requirements. For example, I want to create this type of the platform. I want these features, and then after that I can publish my job, and I will see developers only who had experience with these tasks, with these features, only them. Or like develop, if we don't have in our platform developers experience in these features, of course I will see just all developers, but first will be shown developers with experience in these features. And this is great, because you know, I really, when I develop something with OpenAI, I want somebody who already said like few times OpenAI integration. I don't want that developer will learn how to do that in my my task, because yeah, I as a founder want to publish my product very fast, and I need to do it fast, and want to make sure that I will have completed product, and product with good quality in my time frame. And yeah, that's why I very believe in this idea. And I made the research, of course, and we can go to the research now, and I will show you how I make it, and maybe we'll find something interesting there. Maybe we will find the same products. Let's see. So let's start with the market research. Some words about market research. So you will need first understand how you will search for the solutions. So for example, in this case, understand that I want to find marketplaces, no-code marketplaces. I want to find case portfolio publishers. But I think the main competitor will be will be marketplaces. So let's go first to the Miro board and start to create the canvas, and then we will work with that with Google and Miro. So now we will try to find something similar. Okay, let's start it. So now I want to share your screen and show how I will do that. Guys, how are you? So why don't you have enough views? It's a good question, because I don't promote this thing, and the second reason, I start my streams 2 hours later usually when I plan to do it. I think these two options. Yeah, but I don't think about promote my streams, to be honest, and maybe it can be the reason. I just want to make it like that. Yeah, it can be the reason, because to be honest, I don't have now enough time for promote it, and I don't know how. So if you work in promotion of YouTube, and if you know some guys who do that, I will very glad if you share their contacts, because it's our problem now. I understand that we don't have views now. So we have about 5 views in the time of the stream, but and then the stream we usually have about 150 to 100 viewers, and I don't so like it, to be honest, but for now that's okay for me, because all streams will be recorded, and all streams will be will live in the YouTube, and we will create the videos from the streams with the streams, and I don't think now about the promotions. So let's go to the Miro board. So on the Miro board, I already started to make brainstorm the previous week, and now I want go to the marketplace. So I already created like frame for that, and started to research the market, but I spent for that about 1 hour. So we have here we have solution, we have problem. So let's describe the problem first. So our hypothesis. So all what we discussed, they are all hypotheses. So I am not very sure that it is a good solution, good product. Okay, I believe in that, but I don't believe 100% when I didn't check it, because you can be a fan of something, and but people may not want to use it, or they solve now their problems in the good way, and they don't care about it. So, and so I have so I think that we can, so these ideas and problems can be so big, and our solution couldn't be like very good for that, and that's why they're all hypotheses, and we need to check these hypotheses. And let's describe the problem first. So we have two segments. We have developers, and we have problems of the developers. So I think the first problem create the portfolio. Like all developers understand that creation the portfolio is it is important task, but it's hard. So it is hard. It is hard. It takes much time. If you create your website, so it will take much time, a lot of time. And here it's like a question of time. It's like a question of time or energy. So we can write here like much time and much energy. They don't waste money for that. They can develop it by themselves, but yeah, it's like time or energy. Okay, the second problem that we have here, so for developers, and for developers also they have, of course, problem that hard to find good job. What they mean good job? With a good salary, or with a good salary, or good conditions. Because, for example, if most of the developers, they want to find one, we have new comment. How long will take this stream today? So it will take about 2 hours, I think, I hope. From now, 2 hours. Maybe even like 1 hour and a half. Okay, hard to find good job, so with good salary and with the good conditions. So my developers in our team, now they have good job, of course. But I talked with many developers, and now in NoCode we don't have many agencies. We even don't have many orders, NoCode orders, NoCode jobs, and so we have many. We have so many people need to know code, but they don't know about no code, these people who need them. And the second option, they don't know how no code can solve their problem. And that's why, like, just, job requests, we don't have many job requests of the no code. So we work, for example, on Upwork during 1 year, and we don't see that we have like boom in no code requests. Yes, we have some, but it is like only Upwork, Bubble maybe request, and something else. I'm talking about the request where like people want to order something, and that's why it's hard to find the job. And this is the most huge problem. This problem is more big because it will depend on the money, and when you think about money, it is like a question of life. So I mean that in Maslow pyramid, is it right? Yeah, I think we have just food and safety on the like base, fundamental, yeah, and that's why problems which depend, which match with money, they are most powerful, because you need just live, you need buy everyday food, you need buy food for children, for your family, and it's very important, and I think that's all for that, right? So, and also it's like a question about time of searching for good job or order. So okay, let's go to, it's like high level problems and high level jobs, but let's let's go next. So let's go to customer. So customers has also some problems. First, so they have a problem which matches with time. They need spending a lot of time for find right developer or agency. So I can say about that because I talk with the customers even every day, or one time in 2 days, and all these customers, they don't they are looking for a right team or developer like about 1 week, 2 weeks, even 3 weeks, and it's not easy process for them, because of course they need to chat with them, but on the first screening level, they just need to understand. So if the agency or developer has these skills which he needs. And that's why I spent a lot of time for that. Also, I'm not sure that developer has the requirement experience. So this is like the second problem, and worked with his tasks, and this is the problem of. So it will depend on the I think money. Because if I will choose somebody who don't have experience, I will need to change him, and I will waste my money. So let's continue with the I can waste my time and my. I think it's like about money and time and money, because I chose the wrong developer. Okay, let's go next. So they're the main problems, I think, and let's think about jobs. So jobs to be done. Jobs to be done, framework, it is framework where you describe needs of your clients, of your users, by three layers. So we have first one in the situation. So you describe the situation when your potential user or customer face with this problem. For example, let's do it here. So let's describe it here. So when somebody asks me for my portfolio, three layers. So we have situation, we have we have the case in the situation when I want to solve my need for something, for satisfy my needs. So yeah, let's fill in this for developers. So when somebody asks me for my portfolio, so we have situation here. Situation when somebody asks me for my portfolio, I want to show my works and the skills. So this how to say I want, and for what, for that, yeah, for customer order the development. So very simple. So I want to solve this. Very good point. We have also here money because portfolio depend on the choice of the client. It's important to understand. So let's add it here. So portfolio depend on choice of the client. And and here we have this simple situation when somebody asking for my portfolio. I want to show that for better conversion, so better that this customer order the development. Easy. So, and we just realized that it will depend on the money which I will earn. So hard to find a good job. The same. We take the situation. So when I try to find a job. So we have here different cases here because you can be freelancer and you can be developer and go to the and be hired as a developer in the agency. And that's why we have here different more than one situation, but let's describe one. When I'm trying to find a job, like an order. So I want to find the job and sell it for like earn money. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Earn money, and it's not only money. I think it's like get an experience. And yeah, we have some. So it's like about the interest. Get the interest tasks for example. It's also important, but yeah, the main is money, of course. So let's go to the customers. We have some jobs in the customer side too. Let's copy this our framework, and let's think about the and here when somebody asks me a portfolio, so I think we have the second job. So when I want to publish my portfolio, to not publish, to create my portfolio. Right? So when I want to create my portfolio, I want to make it easy and spend a little time for that, not much time for that. So not much time for that. Why? Because for like, I don't know, like save my time. Save my time and solve this important task fast. Because I have my job and and continue my job and continue my job faster. Because like I think developers they create the portfolio, they can create it in the weekend, but I think they spend usually much time for that and do it in the week, during the week. And okay, so let's go here. So here we have for the customer side, we have in the situation when I need to find, let's imagine for the for customer. Yeah, let's describe for MVP customer, like founders. So when I need to find a developer for develop my MVP, I want to find right developer with the similar experience for make my build. I think build will be better. Build my my MVP as soon as possible. And there are many how to say many reasons. So I need to find money faster. I need to get money faster, and there are many for this for founder, for MVP founder. And yeah, so let's stop on this. So we, I think, described jobs very well. I hope it will help you in your startups and your projects. By the way, if you're a developer, if you show it to the client, it will be very good for the client, I think. So, okay, let's go to existing alternatives. Because these are our competitors. So it can be, there can be competitors, or yeah, competitors or existing alternatives. Yeah, existing alternatives or competitors. Sorry. So let's find for each one the competitors, and yeah, and then think, so which problem is the bigger. So okay, for portfolio publisher, let's Google first, like publish portfolio no code developer. So we have portfolio creators. Okay. Okay, we have some best for designers, best for simplicity, best for creators. So we have, what is it? Landing page builders, website builders. Okay, it's not, it's just tools for portfolio creators. It's not this what I tried to find. We have Webflow, create a portfolio that makes stand out. Okay, yeah, this is like very important point. We have the first existing alternatives. So let's make it like, let's write down that we have it's not so it is all the existing alternatives, but this is another ways. So we have straight way, but we have another ways. So you can so website builders, one first competitor. And then after that, we will need to think how why we better than them. So why we are better. Yeah, let's make it in the same time. So website builders like Webflow, I don't know, Tilda, Bubble even, and so on. So we have website builders. What else? So the first one. So the best places to host your developer portfolio. But I think it is article about developers. What happened? Oh. Okay, I can't use I can't use this website because I have ad blocker. Sorry. So website builder. Okay, website builder, the same. We have many builders where you can create your portfolio. Okay, how to build developer portfolio. So no, let's go to. I'm sure that you can do it in the marketplace. So let's go to no code marketplace list. Marketplace. Because I know some of them. For example, from this I already researched, as I said, and yeah, I think we have this here. So we have Hippo. Hippo, it is something like no code marketplace. I think not this one. Sorry. Okay, now let's go to the no code marketplace. Let's try to find something. What is it? It's not marketplaces. Marketplace builders, no code solutions for marketplaces. I want to find list of the no code marketplaces. What happened? Why I can't do that? No code marketplaces. Software, no code solutions, code best no code marketplace builders. Guys, can you recommend me some no code marketplaces? Because I had the list, but I don't know. Now I can't find it. So maybe no code freelance platform. Webmaster, no code. Maybe here. Oh, okay. We found something. So we have no code makers. We've been okay. No code ops. So here I think I can find developer. Cool. This oh, we have many developers here, as you can see. Not many, but yeah, we have many developers here. Okay, what I can do here? So let's set our filters, our heart rate, and for example, I need bubble. Okay, let's check how it works. Okay, we have no projects, we have just about, we have lessons and posts. And if oh, okay, let's continue with Google. For example, I like this developer. Okay, send a message. What's your budget? Hourly rate? No, fixed rate. Hello, let's chat. And let's send it. Looks like Bubble. It built in Bubble. Definitely. Okay, but it works like that, and it is like its competitor. So I don't know how do they big or not, but let's copy it and paste in our analyze. So we have like straight competitors, but its competitor it is competitor for, oh yeah, it's no code, okay, this publisher, yeah, this competitor. But I think it's not competitor for publisher, yeah, because you know, when you list it on this platform, you can't usually you can't have your own website. So you can, okay, you can list here, but you can't, you always be like as a part of this website. So, and this is the problem, because so for example, I want to send this portfolio to my client. I have risk that my client will find somebody else, my potential client, and why I should do that in this case. So it's not competitor for that. It's competitor for marketplaces, because yeah, on the marketplace, customers here can find something. But let's write down why we're better than this platform. So on this platform, I can see the. So first, how we will better. No filter by skills. No filter by skills, and they allow to publish no code developer without portfolio. I don't believe in that. So and for customers it doesn't work properly, because if I need to okay, this is okay, this portfolio this portfolio doesn't work. Okay, I just don't want to use it with this guy because I can't go to this website. Okay, but let's go here. Lesson overview. So no projects too. How I can check it? How I can do something here? I just I want to see what is it. So I think it's hub too. It's hub, but okay, very strange. Let's yeah, let's check the last one. So they just don't have portfolio. So, and no portfolios. Let's go next. Best freelancers. Oh, okay, we have CodeMap. I heard about that many times. Higher top, no code, low code, and optimization, talent, remote, and all demand. Cool. Okay. Let's go and hire. Okay, I want to hire the developer. Oh, here, create a free portfolio now. Let's create. So I'm freelancer, I'm agency, and looking for no code work. No, I'm a client. No, I don't want to go to this. I want just copy this for designer to show him some competitors. But these guys are very good, so they're popular. I heard about them many times. So let's go to the I'm a freelancer agency. I'm agency. Let's publish me as an agency. Sign up as a talent. So I'm. Let's do like I'm freelancer. let's write down our email and choose the password. Let's choose this one. Oh, you'll see it. Okay, sign up. Okay, so let's go through this process, because like this product is the main product, I think, the main our competitor, because as I said, I have heard about that about them many times, and looks like they yeah, looks like we can so we can check it. We need to check these guys. Okay, and what's next? Click to upload your picture. Okay, so now what I think. So for this step I don't want to continue do it, because it looks like very hard. Let's just show it to designer how we don't want to do, because yeah, it looks like very hard to make here the key. Yeah, to have here the portfolio, but let's do that. So I upload the image. I'm no-code developer, and yeah, that's all. No-code developer. I'm expert, more than 2 years. And okay, what's next? Please select no-code tools you're experienced with. Okay, experienced in Babel, Adala. What else? Zapier, Make, Integromat. Oh, and have AppMaster. No, not Master. It's interesting. Do you have AppMaster here? No, we don't have AppMaster here. Okay, let's do like that. So, but it looks like, design tools, choose tools. Okay, it looks like boring, and yeah, looks like boring for now. But yeah, let's go next. So, expertise, no-code development and design. I need to choose my expertise. Okay, front end, back end. Okay, I don't have expertise in design. Skills. Responsive. Why I can't choose? Okay, web and native. Skills, yes, I know to develop design responsive application. Skills, APIs. I only know how to create API. I only know how to manage plugins. Okay, but okay, selectors, they're very poor, to be honest, but it's okay. And skills. I don't work with templates. I can develop or use. Yes, I don't work with templates. Oh shit! It's too long, guys. It's too long. I'm boring, to be honest. Which deliveries can you offer to the clients? Web applications, native. By the way, we can take all this information from here. So we can copy these drop downs, but it is very hard. Why it's matter like spheres when I worked? So because it doesn't matter in which field I make marketplace. I made marketplace. Okay. Let's continue. Let's continue. Do I also want to offer consulting? No, I don't. Next. Oh, background. Overview, no-code experience, what you can help with client. If I don't want to do that, why it's a requirement? I just want to show it to designer. One moment. Maximum. Okay. I have big experience. I have huge experience. That's all. I don't want to do something else. Languages fluent in English and Russian. It's like this point is very good because for customers, we need to understand the customers will need to know languages, because if you don't know English, they can't work with you. Please share link website portfolio, notot.com, and what is it? Approximate average time you would deliver the clips. What? Like Airbnb? Okay, 2 months. It's very strange, guys. It's very strange. I don't know who go and fill in all this portfolio. And your employment history, I don't know. I don't want to. Sorry. Okay, what's your hourly rate? Okay, the most interesting part. So dollars minimum 100, maximum of hourly rate. Okay, 1,000. Why not? It's very strange. Why? What does it mean maximum? Okay. I'm also available fixed price. Yes. Please indicate your current availability. Part-time. Hours per week. 50. Are you interested in full-time? Yes. Okay. Okay, we will review your profile and get back as soon as possible regarding your access to Code Marketplace. Want to spend the process since we receiving 100 of registrations daily? Ping us on LinkedIn by giving as a follow, and we will prioritize your application. What the fuck? So they just say they have 100 requests. I think it is bullshit. Let's send message to them. So, they have many followers. Hire top talent and build software up to 10 times faster. Good, let's send a message to them. Invite connections. Okay, please approve me. Sorry guys, we just finishing with this analyze, but we needed to go through this process because it's like the main player, I think. So it looks like they big, but I don't know, like this user experience is very bad. So now I need to wait. I need to wait. Okay, maybe moderation is this important part. I don't know yet, but I don't very want to moderate, to be honest. I don't understand how they check, so how they can approve or not. Let's see how they work. So how Codeman works: create a project, engage with experts and agencies, pick the best and start the project. How I want to see how it looks like. Let's register as a I'm client. Yeah, let's register as a client. So I am a client. Now I'm a client. I go to I'm company. Let's write down our email and create the password. Okay, if I don't want to use this password, it doesn't matter. Oh, it is already in use. Okay, let's create the different email. I don't know which one. Let's create it. Let's go there and create it here. So let's, or this email, I don't know. Okay, so let's use another email. For example, this one. Okay, now I just want to make it like better. I make it more live. Now we make market research and research existing solutions, which we have now. Choose my own. Okay, sign up. Oh, cool. What happened? Let's complete account setup. First name, last name. I don't know. I don't want to complete the setup, but okay. Let's screenshot it too for our designer. Alex Manokin. High no code. Company size. Okay, now let's call it Magic Stories. So let's find expert for our created startup. Tell us a little bit about what do I need. Oh, I hate that. I hate your location, San Francisco. But let's screenshot it too. Choose the requirements. No code development, project start day. Just interesting how they build the flow. So because we want to build flow too. In the next week. Okay. They ask these questions. And okay, get started. So we have we have 3 developers. Oh, not 3. We have many developers. Okay. What's next? What I need to do here? Let's go there. So I have their skills. Can I here set the skills? So for example, talent type. Okay, I need freelancers. I need price. USD. I need services. No code development. And I need Bubble tools. But I don't have here location. Why London? Okay, and I don't see here many requirements, so it's very strange, but okay, let's check it out. So I can see the projects of each person. I can see that. So how I can, okay, I have portfolio. Oh no, we have portfolio. But it was like that. So it was hard to understand this. It has, so he has portfolio. Okay, I just want to screenshot all this information because I want to show it to designer. Native app. Okay. Here I don't have a link to the portfolio. I just have screenshot and that's all. And small description. So they poor. I think portfolio very poor. Portfolio are very poor. Oh, here I have a link. Okay. Okay, then I think don't work. Okay, but here I don't have many skills. I can't imagine what the person did in this project. And okay, if I want to work with this person, I need to create my project. Oh shit. I have imagine that I want to really like order the app and I see this screen. Who created that? Who created this shit? I have no now how to say, I don't want to do that. So I see the steps, I see this I see this hundreds of steps and I don't want to do that. Well, what do you think, guys? So imagine that you have the order that you need to no code development. Will you do that? Just say something in the comments if yes. Okay, so let's go. Let's fill in, but it's like it will be only on the one only on the one place. But I'm so happy of that because if they are the biggest ones, we have no competition. So what is it? Please choose. Okay, name Magic Stories. Please choose up to 3 tags that most How to describe and fire now? Okay, it is native app MVP and for Android. What services do you expect to require for deliverable? So no code. Oh, they have code too. Cool. So we have only no code. Starting working. Yeah, I have my design. Uploading project files. I don't want to do that. Project details. If you're building websites, I want to build a story. So AI generator of the child stories. Okay, next. Experience and skills, entry level. Skills, yes, responsive design, plugins, experienced with the APIs. Okay, and experience with app templates. No. Okay, experience levels. No, I want to hire expert. So let's put it here too. Next, please indicate specific requirements. Do you need specific? Okay. Languages. English. Choose 3 preferred locations. I don't want to do that, guys. I don't want. Budget. So one. Let's put it here too. So yeah, and no, I'm not sure. I can go back here. Let's screenshot it too. So please indicate any specific requirements. One moment, I need to chat with our designer. One moment, please. So let's continue. Let's go next. It will be one of project. So hours per week I need full time. Budget I pick start day timeline. Okay, I need to do it in 1 week. And budget, fixed budget, $10K. Okay, let's continue. So it's very hard. When I create the task on Upwork, it is very easy. Here it's very hard. Okay, review. So my review of the project, and let's publish the project. Your project is live. Send requests to experts and agencies. Okay, let's go. Let's send request to this dude. Okay, what the fuck? Magic stories. Write intro message, hello. Send request. It looks like very bad. I don't like this experience at all, but okay, maybe it works. Maybe it works. Let's invite this developer. Okay, it's very good UX, guys. You don't have button here. They just offer you to yeah, it's no button. So I just tap and we have something here, Magic Stories. Okay. But okay, it works. For them, it works. I mean, if they have 100 requests to this platform, I think they're well. They're successful. Okay, so what's next? I have my project. I have hub. What is it? Work hub. Okay, I don't have now. Okay, so let's finish with this website. Let's go to the next one. I want to find the yeah, I heard about one website and I want to find it. So so no code development platform, no code find developer. Okay, find no code developer. Where to find no code developer? But guys, so we went, I think, very deep in the product analyze, and let's how you should do. To be honest, you need to explore the main clients, the main competitors. And we have here two types of competitors: the second marketplaces, and the first portfolio publishers. But even like in CodeMap, if you publish portfolio here, they will publish on the website, and if you publish there, all like your clients can go and search for another guys. And you can't, for example, send it in Upwork, because if the client not very hot, you will have this this problem that they can come and find another guy. Okay, let's what is it, guys? What is it? Let's go next. Sorry, I a little bit want to eat. It is for now, I think, 2 hours live stream. I just trying to find no-code platforms, but okay. What is it? No, it's not this one. I heard about some no code marketplace. I don't know how to find. It's very strange that I can't find. Okay, find no code developer. Why they have bad SEO? Maybe because they all developed. Okay, maybe they all developed with Bubble, and Bubble has bad SEO. Okay, it's like article, but where I can, oh, yeah, they have list. So they have MarkPath, CodeMap, which we already discovered, NuCode, which we already discovered. We have CodeMentor. So let's find MakerPath jobs. So while mentor hiring job for developers. I think here on the MakerPath you can't find the developer. I don't know what. It's not. It looks like they just posting of the jobs. Okay, so I heard about guys. Oh, we can also find experts on VLAF no code, but I already analyzed them. We have it here, I think. I can write straight. Yeah, I can write straight here to developers. So I for example, let's go to no code developers, and we have some, but I can't write straight, I think. Catalina. So it looks like ugly, to be honest. What is it? So I can, when I when I put higher, I go to Calendly with VLAF no code. It's stupid. So the best tools. Okay, let's finish with that. So for portfolio publisher, let's publish portfolio, no publish. I don't know. No, yeah, portfolio no code developer. So no cottage portfolio creators. What if I want to publish it here? So let's join us. So I want to find a platform like Hippo or Hero, I don't know. But I definitely found something like that. And maybe they don't exist now. Guys, maybe you know some marketplaces, because I don't really know about about other platforms, marketplaces. So I'm trying to find now, but I can't find something else. So we have this one, nucode.co. We have CodeMentor, but CodeMentor, it just mentors. It's just mentors, and that's all. So maybe I can find out here. No code market marketplace. Maybe no code marketplace. Code map. Yeah, we have code map. We have, and that's all I think. No code founders. We have no code founders also, but it's like closed community. Oh, heap. Here's it. So we have heap. We have heap. Okay, let's go to the heap. If they exist. Hire no code expert today. 1,000 vetted experts across 42 tools. Cool. They have good design, by the way. Very good design. Better, much better than CodeMap. Much better. Let's just put it here and also put the website here for designer. So again, we have two products. We have marketplace and we have no code publisher. So now we just discover marketplaces, because in publisher, okay, let's build a custom project. Let's try to, okay, let's main, build an app, modern website. Let's build a custom project. Oh, cool. Cool. Very good design. I like it. I like it. Okay, I want to send this link to our designer for Explore. One moment. I need to turn on my screen for a second. Turn off, sorry. Okay, let's continue. So let's continue, and let's continue our market research. So Vadim already on the board. So we have this one, code map. No, it's not right. This one, yeah. So we have here we have code map, like, but it is like they have very bad design. No, not this one. Yeah, we have code map, we have heap, and we have new coders. And I just the code map, I made some screenshots how they look, how it looks like, but in the code map it is like very ugly, and flow are very complex. But heap, they are very good, I think. So I just started to go on the flow heap, and they have, so they I think they have good flow. So I just now trying to leave the request. So let's choose project. One moment. Yeah, let's choose project. We need to make project name. Okay, let's type in Magic Stories. Description AI child stories generator. References. No references. Specific deliverable. What is it? I don't know. What is it? I don't understand. Tools. Specific tools. Let's choose Bubble or Adalo. Let's select two tools. Budget. So per project from 10K to 20K, and project start specific. One moment, I want to make a screenshot of that too. So Vadim, I don't know if you hear me or not, but so the main problem of these platforms, they're very complex. I mean, it's here it is better. It is better, but on the previous ones, it was very complex. Answer a few questions to create a project and match with the 1K pre-weighted experts. Okay, specific date as soon as possible, of course. And let's submit it. Submit. So I'm create account as a client. Alex. And my password. So by the way, they don't have Google sign in. I don't know why, but they don't have it. Sign up. Not now. Tell us about yourself. Okay, the next step. It is the third step. The third step of filling in the information. So I don't want to fill in my phone. Why, you ask, my phone? I'm individual, I'm organization. Okay, what your company do? Apps. So no code tools you're using, Bubble. And okay, let's choose the phone if it's, but I don't know why they need that. And I can't go next. Why? Oh, now I can. Only in this case I can go next. I'm pretty boring now. We send confirmation to me. Don't forget to check the spam. Sorry for interruption, but we need to make sure. Okay, they sent email to me, and this is the third step. Okay, let's check the email. Heap verify email. Okay, email confirmed. Go to messages. Go to messages. What's next? Oh, it looks like chatbot. Looks like very good. Looks very good, sorry. So, hey, welcome to board. In the chat, you can always talk a human from our team. Just text our questions. Your questions. Browse the message no code experts directly Or post project and match with the project one. Cool, but I won't just explore the developers. Why? How I can how I can okay, here I can go to the main page, but it's very strange that menu here, because I don't know how I can find the developer. I can't understand where the list of developers. Guys, where the list of developers? You have so beautiful design, but where my developers? Where? What happened, guys? Project request. I already request the project. I already request the project. They will check this project. I don't know what happened. Showcase tools. I hate bad user experience. What happened? How I can find developer for my job? Why I don't see developers? Showcases, but it's good. This is very good that they show these cases. But what's next? Okay, what's next, guys? What's next? So I don't. I left the project. I left request to the project, and I can't. Or maybe match. Choose service, browse selected experts. Oh, okay. Here, what happened here? What happens? Why I can't go to all developers here? Maybe I'm stupid. Maybe I'm stupid. Why I see only 3 developers? So a little bit tired. Sorry. Again, I left the request. I want to find good developer for my project. After that, I verified my email, and then I just came back and saw the chat messenger with the team, and that's all. So I thought in the chatbot they will offer me developers or something else, but no. Now I have so I have these developers, and I don't know. So okay, this developer, how I can see all developers? Okay, let's write message to him. Hello, I want to build my product. I don't know who created these platforms, why they created it so complex. Send. I can send a message. Oh, I can. Yeah, it's sent. Already sent. Open chat. Okay, we have new messages. But so first, Okay, let's try to post here applying to join. So receive projects you want to make $3,000 per month work on our terms. By the way, they have work on your terms. So they have they have good titles. So they just target in money. It's good. It is very good. I like it. Only thing I like in this platform: good design, and good targeting. Okay, here I want to log out and register as a developer. Apply to join HIP. By the way, when I like 1 year ago, I tried to join HIP, and I couldn't do that. I don't know why, but they didn't send me any information. That's all. So okay, let's create an account. So I want to publish my portfolio. I am Alexander. Okay. Choose my own password. Accept terms and privacy policy. Oh, I can sign up. I can create the account. Maybe. I don't know why. Really. But it doesn't work now. Oh, okay, it's email, sorry. So it is email. Let's use the same account. Let's use the same account. So I think I feel like I now create like hate content for different no-code platforms, to be honest, because I don't know, they all were strange. They all are very strange. The first one has like the worst UI and UX experience. This UI is beautiful, but I don't know what happened here. Okay. Oh, sorry. My camera turned off. I don't know why. Okay, my Steadicam don't have enough. Don't have enough battery now. Sorry, one moment. Okay, I just I will choose the FaceTime camera. Yeah, like that. So yeah, I need to charge the Steadicam and my phone also. Sorry. One moment, please. So I bought amazing Steadicam, but it so yeah, you need to charge it like many times, as I understand now. So because I already charged it today to 100%, and now in 2 hours it doesn't work, and I need to charge it again. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. So here we have we try to project request. We try to make an account, but what happened? I tried registered as a developer, and I don't know why I'm here. Confirm. Oh, okay. I need to confirm my email. Let's confirm it. Let's resend it because I don't have it now. Maybe it is in spam. Okay, welcome to HIP. Verify email. Hey, welcome to the board. On board. In this chat, you will always talk to humans from a team. Just okay. The same flow like. Sorry, the same flow like we had, but yeah. Let's. I want to continue my profile as a developer. I don't know how to do that. So I want to publish my apply to join HIP. How I can do that? Create an account. But I already signed in. Okay, go to my projects. So as you see, like this flow, it is a bad flow too. Like how this not like step-by-step flow, and it's like very strange. To be honest, yes. Okay, I want to finish now this analyzing. So I think we have enough information for now. We analyzed 2 platforms. So let's just write down why it will be better than this platform. So in case portfolio publishers, we don't have competitors here, because we have competitors as a website builders only, because this publisher, they're not publishers. They're not publishers. They're just how to say, marketplaces. And why we are better than website builders? Because we are we save like faster to create. I mean, let's think that here our goal is 5 minutes. 5 minutes for portfolio creation. Let's do like that. 5 minutes and website. So own website will take, I don't know how much time. I mean, I think it will take like 2 weeks. Like, I don't know how many hours, but let's say like 50 hours. and 5 minutes. It's like easy to create. It's easy to create. And here in the marketplaces, so here we have no filters, no portfolios, code maps. We have a problems that it is like very complex UX, very complex UX, and not straight. Because all these platforms they say you can contact only inside this platform, but I don't want it. I want to just have a contacts of the developer as a as person who want to order the services, development services. And this is the point. So they all try to make like safe retention on this platform, on their platform, but so I think it's bad. It is bad approach. Okay, very complex UX, not straight, and then heap. What we have in heap? In heap we have okay, good design, but also very complex UX. I don't understand how to get access to all developers. So I don't know. It's like it looks like it looks like piece of shit, to be honest. Because I can solve my task. So when I use Upwork, I just publish the task and I have answers. So here I published. Okay, let's check how it work. Maybe on the code map we get many answers, but I don't think so. So very complex UX. I don't understand how to get access to all developers. I mean, how I can select developer, how I can select developer. I really don't understand it. Really don't understand. And that's all, I think. And how we will better? How we will better? We make it like in the marketplace. We have two flows, developers which will be in publisher, and here how we will better. Like I already described how we will better in the portfolio publisher, but here we will like straight way for portfolio for find right developer. That's all. That's all, guys. So we will show you with Vadim how we will make it. One moment, I need to check my Telegram. So okay, now I want to start to make. We already finished with the product analyze. We finished with problem also. Yeah, our segments. Our segments is segments. So developers, and we have customers. And portfolio solution, we have portfolio publisher and developer selecting. And unique value proposition. Okay, so here that's all. Let's go to the product file. I want just copy one of our marketplace. Yeah, I want to copy one of our product file from the previous project, and I want to show it. So this file, we usually use it in our agency when I talked with the customers. We together fill in this board. And here what we don't have, we have integrations, we have also stack. So stack, let's choose here stack. So no code stack will be bubble. And what else we have here? Monetization for now, we don't have monetization. And yeah, let's go to user flow. So on in the user flow, so let's start with portfolio publisher. We have landing page. From landing page we will have straight like button publish portfolio. Publish portfolio for no-code developer, and here it will be different descriptions, but the first one will be and guys, I didn't say you a very important point. I didn't say a very important point. So for this analyzing of the platforms, I made one important decision that one important insight, that all these platforms are very bad in the UX. So this is very long. This is I can't here see orders, so we don't have straight publish the portfolio, and we need to make it very straight and very very straightful. So because of that, it will be the main idea of the platform. Make it very simple, straightful, and without something extra. So we have landing page, and we have two blocks, the main blocks. We have the first block with the publish your no-code portfolio in 5 minutes. And we'll describe that. So make it white label for free. Make it white label for free. Publish your no-code portfolio in 5 minutes. And get the orders tomorrow. Or like, no. Yeah, okay, make white label. Yeah, I just want to show that, you know, I didn't say you that why we are better here, because it will be white label too. It is very important point that we don't want to sell our platform here. Okay, they can save this label I know code if they want, but if not, we'll make it white label. This is where it will be very important. Moment, I need to write a message to Telegram. Okay, so let's continue. To be honest, I want to a little bit eat. So one moment, I want to make like 2 minutes break. Okay, let's continue. So we have landing page. We have landing page. We have title, publish, code portfolio in 5 minutes, and let's show like it can be white label for free. Let's make this easy message, simple message. So we won't say that, oh, you will have many orders tomorrow, because we don't have this. We don't have customers now. Don't have. And I don't want to lie and say something they get tomorrow. But I would say the block 2 that so your portfolio will be published, or like no will be published, can be published on our marketplace, and you can have orders. Maybe like that. On our future marketplace, like something like that. I know that English of that is not the best one, but let's leave it like that, and yeah, let's see. So I tapped like just said publish portfolio, and then I have moment. Okay, 1 moment, please. Okay, let's continue. So I just tap here, publish portfolio, set here, and then tap the button, and then I have screen. I think we need to make like I don't know how many steps. I would say 2 steps will be better. So remember, we need to have very simple portfolio publisher. So first let's do like, so minimum requirements will be, so okay, first publishing by the start and to the finish should be in one screen, but then I can add something else on my screen if I want to have something else. But developer should get the result after one screen. It should be very simple. So screen 1, question 1, choose your no-code stack, and here will be options. Then and then you can add the portfolio. And on this page, first you attach the link, okay, name, link, and skills, integrations in each, like just yeah, for example, I create magic stories, I link my link, and skills like GPT-3, add front-end development, and I don't know, something else simple. And you can add one if you want more. If you want more, you can add more. You can add one more. So add the portfolio case. And the third, yeah, the also I can add description, but it's not required. And skills are required integrations, because by them we will select the developers. So that's all. And yeah, we need, of course, we need a screen with the sign up screen, where we will have what we will have. I don't know what we will have. We will have so like email sign up or Google sign up. Should be pretty easy. Should be very easy. And the second, this screen, or it's better to make this screen first, to be honest, and then sign up screen. It won't be verification by email for now. Then you just tap publish, and that's all. So it will be published. And here, yeah, also maybe we'll need to make it full name and avatar. And this is yeah, and the second and the last thing, choose your no-code stack, add your portfolio, and also very important thing which we need to add here, it is preferable and also it's important to show on the landing page. Publish your portfolio in 5 minutes. It can be white label for free. And yeah, in the marketplace, preferable contact. And in the preferable contact, we will have, for example, Telegram, LinkedIn, or email. And then it will be filled according to the chosen field, contact field. So I think that's all. So here, publish portfolio, full name and avatar. Full name and avatar. Yeah, okay, so publish portfolio screen. And that's all. So if I want to, so next screen, after publishing, I will have, sorry, I will have here my I have preview of my screen, how it look like for a client, and oh, my Steadicam charged, I think, yes. But not the iPhone. One moment. So here we will go to preview my screen, and here we can here we can also add, but on this page I can just preview it and publish. So it's not requirement fields, you know. So I can also here on this tab add the hour price. I can also have here like type of the jobs which are interesting. And what else? I can make I can add more projects. And I think that's all for now. And after that I can publish it. Yeah, we can add more questions here later, but it doesn't matter. So I want to make it very simple, and for this so for this step I think it is very simple. I can publish without that information. It is important, very important. And then here I have my listing. and yeah, of course. And here I have I can delete the logo and make it white label, and I think that's all. Delete the logo and make it white label. Yes, and of course I can maybe make with my domain, but I don't know this logic. I need to check it. Maybe it's very complex and it's not the task for MVP. Not a feature of for MVP. Not the feature. So we have my listing, so I can like set it. It will be like settings, right? It will be like settings, and oh guys, now three viewers. Cool. Or 2 viewers. Yeah, now 2 viewers. Thank you guys. You need to rest and then continue. You look very tired. Oh yeah, thank you, Lastromeda. So I'm listening to you in the background. It is even funny, but this is a new kind of entertainment. You look, yeah. Thank you for your time that you found it as an entertainment. It's good. I'm happy to that. I'm happy that it's not too boring. So you need the rest and then continue. Yes, so I have this last, so the final result of the stream, create this product file, and we are finishing do that, so we don't need much time for that. Okay, so and our designer said that it's better to start tomorrow the design, and I'm agree with him. So my time now is like 3 a.m. and I want to finish the stream, I think, in 30 minutes when I finish this file. So it looks like, I think, very simple. I mean, we have one screen for portfolio. We have one sign up screen for just maybe just leave it Google. I don't want to make it with email, to be honest. Only Google, because it's like it is simpler. I don't want to use not Google. maybe I make a mistake, but it will be very simple with Google. And then publish. I have preview screen. Then if all is good, I tap publish. Like here it will be how it looks like. And then I have my listing. And have settings. So I can delete the logo and add my own domain. And then yeah, and here I can edit listing. And I will go to this page, like the same page, I think. absolutely the same page. And also I can here, what else? Yeah, I can just edit listing, that's all. So that's all. We have one screen. Okay, let's add emails because not all people have Google accounts. So here we have one screen. This is one screen. This is like screen with preview, and that's all. And then here we have my listing and have settings. So it should be it should be very simple, without something else. And it will be for developer, but we have site for customer. For customer, we have for publish portfolio, and yeah, and here we have also sign in. So here I can publish. Here I can order the okay, publish the project. And this, so in this flow I will have also very simple screen. It will be publish project screen, where it will be, so which will be very easy to, so I mean I need to type in name of the project, description, select requirements. Okay, select stack if I have, and choose requirements. Here I want to make it like calculator logic. I can describe what is it. So in the calculator logic, so I think maybe it's better to make it like chatbot. So bot will ask me some questions. I mean, so I want like native app or web application. I just answer, okay, web application. Then the question, okay, so do you need this type of integrations, or which integrations do you have? Can you write down? I write down, and so it should be very smoothly and very simple, very simple. Let's put it in this info here. It will be chatbot, or just screen with the fields. Because here we have, I can choose the integrations, for example, and in this step 3 I can choose, oh yeah, in the step 4 I can choose the question 4. Yeah, here integrations, and here I forgot this word, sorry. Okay, nothing. Oh yeah, like native or web. So it will be calculator logic, I mean calculator logic or bot logic. Choose the integrations, and then that's all. So also have the screen for registration and publish the project. And then here I will I will have like list of but now for now I would like in ideal world it will be cool make it this list of developers, but now we don't have many developers as we want to have, and that's why now it will be not the list, but it will be thank you email. No, sorry, not screen. So we can just write down here thank you for your time. But by the way, I think when we don't have many developers, so for the landing page for the customer, we need to make another title. So in the title, in the offer, we can describe that we can select the no-code developer according to requirements. And I want to show it now, but one moment, I want to return my Steadicam. One moment, please. A moment, I trying to connect my camera. Cool. Welcome back. I just now trying to set my camera, sorry about that. it's a little bit laggy. I don't know why I can't see myself. Okay. I can use it only when I connect it to laptop. Sorry guys, I need to set my sound. One moment. I just trying to understand how to make video without camera. I mean, I have only two outputs, and I want to understand how to do it the right way. Okay, I will use microphone. So now I think you can hear me well. Yeah, because I use microphone, so one moment. Yeah, it should be better. Should be much better. Okay, let's continue. So we have for people who order, we have simple title. We will find no-code developer with experience in your with your needed experience, like something like that. So we will find no-code developer with exact skills you need, like something like that, with the exact the same skills you need. We can write down, like, for example, if you want to have app with the with the GP3 OpenAI, we select only developers who already worked with that. Okay. Already made integration with the OpenAI. And like button find expert. So, and then when I tap find expert, I go to publish project. Yeah, to the publish project. And then I have some important question about select stack, like choose. So there will be questions, or and like it is very good for us. Will be create a map of the requests. Map of the requests. I would say it will be so it will be logic when you one moment. It will be the logic where you let's use sticky note. So yeah, it will be my mind map. For example, the first question should be about platform, I think. Platform. And here we have different options. So we have web, app, web app, we have responsive, or only desktop. And after that question, we go next. And ask the second question. The second question. So we need to, I don't want to create it now because I've already done it for now. Let's leave like that. So, but we need to create it for this main screen. So I think it will be better to build here in one screen and make it like chatbot. So chatbot just ask the questions and according to them create the card. So sign up screen and publish the project. And what is it? A list of the delete the logo, make it white label. Yeah, already created it. So here we will have here we'll have sign up screen, and only Google sign up and email. Yeah, and then I will have preview of my but no, I don't have preview of my project. So after that I see the yeah, I have, sorry, I have here two options. Ideally we'll have the list of developers, of course. With the like sorting by requirement skills. And this thing is that I, as a customer, will see this my requirement skills in the cart before in the listing. So it will make sure for me that they have exactly the same experience. Yeah. Sorting by requirements, and I think that's all. No, and filter by stack. But this is future. I mean, we will show it only when we will have only when we will have more than 500 developers. So before that, we don't have we won't have here any, yeah, we won't have here the screen, and it will be just a screen about the waiting list, but it won't be waiting list. It will be title, because if somebody leave the request, we will try find somebody by their specifications. So we just want to check this idea, and if people will leave requests, we will think how we can fast extend our base of developers. Only when we have, yeah, here we will select developers, and this is chatbot, right? This is maybe it will be chatbot. I write down that I very want. And it can be chatbot. I mean, this wouldn't be screens. I mean, this logic, this shouldn't be screens, but this one, it can be just like that. Questions. It wouldn't be screens. And also just tap publish, and here I have the, let's change it. It will be one chatbot, but this will be questions inside the chatbot. We will select developers by your specific stack and send them to your email. And here we can not sign up. We can delete this step, and when I type in like publish a project, so not only email, I would have here like question, what's your preferable contact? And then yeah, send it, because we don't need register take emails, I think. But okay, maybe we'll leave that. I don't know yet, because I want to do it like as simple as possible. Really. Okay, that's all. So that's all. We don't need now for now this flow of the sourcing and filtering by task, but in this flow, after 500 users, we will show this list, and in this list we will show there will be each there will be developers by the skills, and here I can go to like portfolio page. And on this page I can send a message. Or email. So that's all. That's all to the developer. Maybe we need to have here like profile screen, but I don't think we need it for now with only this flow. I mean, let's do it simple. So here we have flow for new portfolio adding here portfolio in the chatbot, I think, with the questions about the project, and it will work like calculator. So I want that he will get outcome not only with the developers, but also, so outcome, it will be recommend stack according to the questions above, and ideally we will have here like hours and money estimation, but I don't want to make it complex and yeah, and spend much time for that. I don't know if you need to here sign up or not, but let's keep in mind, and maybe we'll include the publish project. Yeah, and then I just tap publish a project, and no, it's like we want it here. It will be just chatbot or like one screen, but it will be very simple. So I think that's all for now. We need to fill in more descriptions here, but I think we will do it tomorrow. We have admin side, but okay, let's have like users, like users. So we have list of developers, and I can go to portfolio. And it will be portfolio screen. I want to moderate portfolio because you can like write down something strange and unpolite there, but I'm not sure. To portfolio. And here I have delete, or I can also edit it. And the second thing, we have portfolios. Sorry, we have we have portfolios, and then here it will be portfolio screen. Okay, so portfolio screens. I think that's all for now. Oh no, we have here like we need to have list of portfolios. Okay, so I think that's all. That's all for now. To be honest, I'm very tired, guys, and I want to go to sleep now. And I think we did huge job for today. Let's review it. So first I talked to you about the idea, like half of the hour, and about No-Code Hub. Then we go and describe the segments problem and jobs to be done and solutions. And then we thought about existing alternatives, why we will better, and explored 3 marketplaces which are not our competitors in case publishers, but they competitors because as a portfolio case publishers, we have also websites. So this way very long and very long and not very good. And we have we explored these 3 marketplaces, and it was very long. Sorry about that, guys, but we needed to understand this shitty UX where you create your project in 5 steps. 5 steps you need went through that publish something, and the same in developers. Oh no, it was developer side. Yeah. Okay, so and we also explored this heap platform, but it is like very bad in UX, I think. I'm sure on that. And according to this, we created simple user flow. I think our designer Vadim will think about it today and make it simpler than this one. And so I think this one can be bought too. So what if this one will be bought and you just need to answer questions, and then it will be, your portfolio will be created. And in the creation page, you can change something if you don't like. So yeah, like bot logic is very good, and I think yeah, it will be better for, like, we can say like create your portfolio after chatting with 10 messages, for example. Okay, so this is our review, and today I think was amazing day. We made many stuff, and I hope you will come tomorrow. Tomorrow we will start at, earlier than today, I think. So tomorrow we will start midnight, probably. Yes, we will start midnight or like 1 hour before midnight. I will share all information, so it will be so no, midnight my time, sorry, midnight 11 p.m. or midnight my time. I'm in Kuala Lumpur, and Moscow time it will be 7 or 6 or 7 p.m. Okay, see you guys tomorrow, and please maybe you left the comments. If you have any questions, please feel free to write down, but we don't have questions for now. We have just 2 viewers. Thank you guys. Thank you for all guys who view us now, and who already viewed us, and who will watch us. So it's very important for me. You support the stream, support this amazing project, and I'm so happy about that. Okay, guys, please make your products very fast. Please use this use case like motivation and like guideline for fast development. And yeah, I know code, I know code, you are no code, I'm no code, we are no code. So have a good night, and see you tomorrow. Thank you.